Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by readying the optics and specimen so you can focus efficiently. First, power the microscope and set illumination to about 30–50%. This avoids glare and preserves contrast. Next, place your specimen on the stage and secure it with clips. Make sure the sample is flat and centered. Then fit low magnification, such as a 1x4x objective or 10x eyepiece, and adjust interpupillary distance so both eyes see a single field. Once done, you're primed to bring the sample into focus. You now refine the image by progressing from coarse to fine focusing. Start with the coarse focus knob until the sample's outline appears. Move slowly to prevent the objective from touching the specimen. Once you have a rough image, switch to higher magnification like 10x40x and use the fine focus knob to sharpen detail. Make small, deliberate turns. At the same time, adjust stereo separation and each eyepiece diopter so both eyes are comfortable. Change illumination angle or diffuser to enhance surface. You finish by framing, documenting, and storing the microscope properly. Position the area of interest in the center, lock focus, and attach a camera or take notes. Exposure and gain adjustments help image quality. When done, clean lenses with lens tissue, lower the stage, power down, and cover the instrument to avoid dust. If the image is dim or blurry, check the condenser and illumination, realign optical paths, inspect for dirty optics, and verify power or batteries. This one troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.